CSS comments genuinely let you leave real notes in your style sheet using *** syntax, never rendered or shown to visitors. In this video you'll use real comments correctly. Everything between asterisk and asterisk genuinely never affects the real rendered page purely for actual human notes. Wrapping a real declaration in a comment genuinely disables it without deleting it. A real, useful debugging technique is genuinely valid in CSS but not real CSS. Using it here genuinely breaks the actual style sheet parsing. *** genuinely creates a real CSS comment. Comments genuinely never render or affect the page. Is genuinely not valid CSS, it's real CSS syntax only. Add a real comment explaining a non-obvious CSS rule in your project. Ready to see how browsers genuinely handle real CSS errors?